Hi everyone, this is Leon and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the enhanced version of the 5-minute scalping strategy. I have shared the 5-minute scalping strategy in my previous uploaded video. If you have not watched the previous video, please click the suggested video box at the top right corner and go and check that out. In the previous video, I have talked about how to set up the 5-minute scalping strategy by using smooth moving average and weighted linear moving average, and also how to trade with it. As the result, the win rate is only 44%, but the good thing is we are using the healthy risk and reward ratio, and we got 50% return of investment from it. I received some of the feedbacks from my Discord community in regards to this strategy, which they mentioned this strategy also works on a longer time frame, such as 1 hour time frame. I apply a few indicators to match this strategy, and finally there's one indicator that fits the best. Want to find out more? Make sure you stay until the end of the video, and also I will backtest the enhanced version for 100 times. Are you ready? Let's go! Now we are back into the chart. So right now we have to change our 5 minutes time frame to an hour time frame. So for this strategy, it's no longer a 5-minute scalping strategy because we are using an hour time frame. I'm trying to use the disadvantage of the scalping strategy and enhance it furthermore. Of course, this is also one of the suggestions from my Discord community members. Now we are at the hourly time frame, and next indicator that we are going to put it in is the average true range. How to put it in? Just go to your indicators and search for the average true range. Okay, we have everything set up and we will be using the default setting, which is the 14 period, and we don't amend anything, just let it be. Now how are we going to use these indicators is the buy setup and the sell setup is almost the same. You are waiting the smooth moving average crosses the linear weighted moving average, and we use the average true range to decide how many takes profit are we going to do. For this one, we are buying a positions over here, and we check at the average true range on the exact same candle. So in here it shows that 22.2 pips you should put in as your take profit. And now we will go for the buy trade. I just put it in at the opening price, and we set the take profit target to the 22.2 pips. As I showed in the previous chart, this is the example of a buy setup. The rule is still the same. Wait for the smooth moving average, cross the linear weighted moving average from the bottom to top. Now we will apply the average true range pips on it. You can either use 1.5 or 1 risk and reward ratio for this. In this case, we will be using 1.5, somewhere around here, and we will have a profitable trade in the next hour. Next is the sell trade. Rule still the same. Wait for the smooth moving average cross linear weighted moving average from the top to bottom. Apply the average true range value on it, and you will get a profitable trade. Now we have all the 3 indicators set up, and it's time for backtesting. I will use 5 random currency pairs using 1.5 risk and reward ratio and start from June 2020 onwards. As we are using 1 hour time frame, we might need to backtest more than a month to get enough trade to execute. Are you ready to see the result? Let's go! In this backtesting, we have selected random currency pairs for Euro USD, USD CAD, NZD CAD, AUD NZD, and Last one will be GBP AUD. Each pair will be tested for 20 trades. During the testing, I noticed that even I getting 2 months data for backtesting, is still not sufficient to execute 20 trades, meaning that you will get lesser trade opportunities when you change the time frame from 5 minutes to 1 hour. So I decided to start trading dates from April 2020 onwards in order to get more trade data. Even though we are using 1 hour time frame, there are still some market noise in the chart. If you're backtesting it by yourself, you will see these two moving average is crossing each other within a short period of time. Nevertheless, I got the feeling that this strategy is going to work out as I'm getting more winning trades than the losing trades. I'm very excited to share the backtesting result with you. Make sure you stay until the end of this video. Let's see our result on this 100 backtesting for this 1 hour scalping strategy. We have executed total 100 trades and we have 59 winning trades for this and we have 41 losing trades. Our win rate is 59%. With the account size of $1,000, we have profit of $2,375, which is equivalent to almost 300% of your return. And we have consecutive of 5 winning trades and consecutive of 4 losing trades. At the end of these sessions, we can conclude that this strategy is really work perfect and you can use this strategy in your future trades as well. If you love this video, remember to like the video after watching it. And if you are new to my channel, remember hit the subscribe button at the bottom right corner and activate the notification bell icon, so you will not miss any updates on the tips and strategy just like this one for forex trading and binary trading. I will see you in the next video. Thank you and goodbye.